Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on taxation. It includes all types of taxes. Question number 1 is which of the following is a direct tax? A. GST, B. Excise duty, C. Income tax, D. Custom duty. Answer is C. Income tax. Direct taxes are imposed directly on the individuals and organizations and cannot be shifted to others. For example, if you earn rupees 10 lakh annually, you pay income tax directly to the government. No other can pay tax for on behalf of you. Second, question number second, which of the following is an indirect tax? A. Corporate tax, B. Wealth tax, C. Goods and services tax, D. Capital gains tax. Answer is C. GST. Indirect taxes are levied on goods and services collected by sellers and passed to the government. For example, when you purchase a TV, GST is included in the price and collected from you indirectly. Question number 3. A progressive tax means A. Same rate for everyone, B. Higher income, higher tax rate, C. Lower income, higher tax rate, D. Tax based on production. Answer is B. Higher income, higher tax rate. In progressive taxation, the tax burden increases with income. For example, income tax slabs in India is 5%, 20%, and 30%, which are progressive. With question number 4, which tax is an example of a proportional tax? A. Income tax in India, B. Corporate tax at a flat rate, C. GST, D. Custom duty. Answer is B. Corporate tax at a flat rate. In proportional tax, the same percentage applies regardless of income. Corporate tax of 25% applies equally to all eligible companies. Question number 5. A regressive tax implies poor pay poorer more proportionally than rich. B. Rich pay more proportionally than poor. C. Everyone pays equally. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Poor pay more proportionally than rich. In regressive taxation, the tax rate decreases as income increases. For example, indirect taxes like GST affect poor more since they spend a larger portion of income on consumption. Question number 6. Which tax is levied on the production of goods within India? A. Custom duty, B. Excise duty, C. Income tax, D. Service tax. Answer is B. Excise duty. Excise duty is charged on goods manufactured in India through GST has subsumed most. Example, excise duty is still applied on petrol and alcohol. Question number 7. Which tax is imposed on imported goods? A. Income tax, B. Custom duty, C. Excise duty, D. GST. Answer is B. Customs duty. Customs duty is charged on goods entering India from abroad. For example, importing an iPhone from the USA attracts custom duties. Question number 8. Gift tax is an example of A. Direct tax, B. Indirect tax, C. Regressive tax, and D. Proportional tax. Answer is A. Direct tax. Gift tax is levied on receiver of the gift above a certain limit. Now, part of Income Tax Act. If you receive gift worth rupees 60,000, it is taxable under income tax. Question number 9. Which tax is collected by state governments only? A. Income tax, B. Stamp duty, C. Corporate tax, D. Customs duty. Answer is B. Stamp duty. The stamp duty on property transactions is a state subject under the Constitution. When buying land in UP, stamp duty is paid to the state government. Question number 10. Which tax system ensures equal sacrifice by all taxpayers? A. Proportional tax, B. Progressive tax, C. Regressive tax, D. Indirect tax. Answer is B. Progressive tax. Progressive taxation follows the principle of ability to pay. For example, rich paying more tax percentage ensures fairness. Question